Hi guys, you are welcome once again on this channel. And in this video, we are going to learn how to set an alarm on our phone. So if you have maybe an event or maybe you want to go to a certain place, so you want an alarm that is going to remember you or remind you, this is what you have to do. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store and download this Google Clock app if you don't have it on your device. It's really important and it's good. And it also, if you're a student, you have to get this app, which is going to help you wake up early in the morning or at dawn to learn. Because when you're learning at dawn, it's really pretty cool and it's really helped. Yeah, because that's what I've been doing. I don't sleep at night. I always work hard at night. I learn and also I try to do other things at night. Do you get me? So you have to get yourself this app. It's really important and it's really good and it's going to help you. So first of all, if you want to set an alarm for an event or for a party or for anything else that you want to um, do, this is what you have to do. Go to your phone menu and tap on this app, this clock app. So that's a Google Clock app. So you tap on it. So when you tap on it, you're going to see all this over here. You're going to see alarm, you're going to see clock, you're going to see timer, you're going to see stopwatch, and also bedtime. All has its own meaning. So with the bedtime, you're going to start when you tap on it, and you have to set um, a bedtime for yourself. Do you get me? So that's it. So also when you want to stop watch, you can tap on it and it's going to start to work perfectly for you, and you can stop at any time. When you go to the timer, you can also set a timer for yourself, maybe 1 hour or 1 second, as you can see, or maybe 10 seconds. Then it start playing. It's going to play for 10 seconds. So this is also important if you are doing a certain program or if you are doing something important. You can use that. You can also set a clock over here. So as you can see, it's 2:17 p.m. and today is Sunday, which is December 3rd. Yeah, 3rd December. So you tap on the alarm. This is what you are going to focus on. So if you want to set an alarm for your own self, you tap on it. Tap on the plus sign over here. Then after that, you set your time that you feel like maybe you want to wake up at dawn. Then maybe you tap on the set you want to wake up around like 3 o'clock. So or maybe 3:10 or 3:05 or 3 o'clock. Then you tap on the AM because it's in the morning. Yeah, so when you tap on PM, it's going to set up in the evening. So you tap on the PM if you want to wake up in the morning, early morning. So then you tap on OK. After doing this, you can set it to maybe Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or anytime. Or you can also remove them out of it if you want to always learn with this. You have to tap on all over here and it's going to work perfectly for you. But if you want to work, maybe you want to learn from Monday to Friday, you just choose this. And also if you want to work for one day, maybe like Monday, you just tap on it like this. Maybe Wednesday, you just tap on Wednesday. So that's how it works. After tapping on it, what you have to do is to just give it a label. You want to add a label maybe for learning. So when you add a label, maybe you can create a lot of alarms. So when you see for learning, it means it will wake you up around midnight for you to learn. Do you get me? So it's really 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 important. So you can also add new one. So that's how it is. You can also choose to delete or add a Google Assistant routine. You can also add a vibration so that maybe when your phone is on silent, it's going to vibrate for you to get it well. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, let me know in my comment section. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye. Peace.